Hello and welcome. In this section, we'll talk about setting immediate goals. Committing yourself to one or two goals for a week's time actually takes us out of our comfort zone or inertia zone and puts us immediately back in the momentum. You might have bigger personal and professional goals, but at this moment, you need to think about some immediate goals that you can easily achieve by the next weekend, and that gives you a sense of personal achievement. These goals should be small and achievable and should make a positive impact on your daily life. For example, you can think of spending 10 minutes of quality time with your child every day, or you can think of allocating 20 minutes for self care activities such as reading a book or going for a walk, etc. The key is to keep these goals realistic and manageable. So please pause this video here and write down some of the personal goals for the next week. I'll see you in the next section where we'll see some of the techniques to get some extra time from your daily routine to achieve these goals.